On it. So that's it. It's pretty loud. The idle isn't actually that bad when it's just idling like this, but yeah, the canopy that was on it. So yeah guys, hope you like it. I'll show you my other machines in a future video. Thanks for watching.